Hey, I'm Paul from No Nonsense Cocktails, and today we're going to make the Pina Colada. The Pina Colada was invented in Ireland by an Irish woman named Sally from Ballina, County Mayo. There are absolutely no interesting facts about Ballina or Mayo, so I will move on. Sally herself knew this, and as a young'un, she caught a train to the distant land of County Roscommon. Roscommon, known for its centrist, Chris O'Dowd, its opinion on equality in 2015, and of course the rock duo Featherhead, the best father-daughter duo in the history of Irish music. Am I biased towards Featherhead because they're family members? Yes I am. The origin of the story goes, Sally had a thing for Honda Civics, you see, and a weakness for any boy who drove them. Enter Justin, with his flowing red locks and ponytail, hideous to everybody else in the town, but that Honda Civic was what caught Sally's attention. They engaged in conversation, which led to friendship, shifting, and marriage. Needless to say, they were very happy and expecting their first child. Upon the announcement, they had decided to name the child Immaculata, after the Immaculate Conception. A ridiculous name, of course, but nonetheless, that's what they chose. Upon announcing this, Sally went to the bar to tell the barman, "Oh, we are calling the child Immaculata." The barman, a little hard of hearing, said, "What's a Pina Colada?" Sally, very quick with thinking and witty, decided she did not want to be embarrassed and talk about the child's name, so on the fly she made a drink, the Pina Colada. She said, "You don't know what a Pina Colada is? This is what it is. This is how it's made. First of all, it is 1 shot of white rum into our blender, then a shot of coconut syrup, also into our blender, 1 shot of fresh cream, if you can acquire cream of coconut for this, it works probably better, but we just don't seem to have it in Ireland, so I use what I have. We're going to add some ice, and finally 6 shots of pineapple juice. I like to use freshly squeezed pineapple juice, and I like to let the people of Calnuna do it. So 6 shots. I'm just going to eyeball this, which is a 1/4 pint. And that is into our blender. Again, this is my mother's blender, which I stole from her. It was the first ever blender invented in 1971, so bear with me. And I like to double strain this drink just in case there are any ice chips left. So I will pour it into my shaker. There's a strainer built into the lid of the shaker. Struggling to come out there, too cold. And that, my friends, is the Pina Colada. Sally and Justin went on to have the child and decided against naming Immaculata. They instead named him Jordan, after Michael Jordan. That's the best drink I've ever had in my life.